Why is droplet size important when spraying? To ensure a good result, spray application equipment needs to be correctly adjusted for the crop canopy. In order to make sure the spray adequately covers the target, the sprayer setup needs to be adjusted to match the canopy size and density. Correct adjustment reduces the risk of spray drift. An important consideration is droplet size. So, why is droplet size so important? There are a number of reasons, including label requirements, efficacy, coverage, and spray drift management. Droplets that are too small can evaporate before reaching the target or drift away. Droplets that are too large can bounce off or run off the leaves. By optimizing droplet size range, you will ensure your products have the best chance of success. There are a number of factors to consider with droplet size, with water application rates, spray volume, and chemical characteristics all playing a role. Use the optimal water volume to achieve adequate coverage and correct nozzle size to match the coverage to the target, prevailing conditions, and chemicals being applied. Doubling droplet size decreases number of droplets by a factor of 8. To achieve the same level of coverage, higher water application rates are needed for nozzles that produce larger droplets. Factors like ground speed can have a significant impact on the number of droplets being applied to a given area. If we double the spray volume by halving the ground speed, we increase the number of droplets by a factor of 2. Knowing the modes of action for the crop protection product you are spraying is also a critical factor in understanding the importance of droplet size and coverage. Ground speed influences the amount of air volume available to displace the air in the canopy. As the canopy increases, more air volume is required. A simple technique is using a piece of tape to indicate the airflow. Operate the sprayer with a piece of tape on the opposite side of the canopy from the spray. And if the tape hangs down or is lower than a 25-degree angle, the ground speed should be decreased. If the tape holds at 25 to 45 degrees, the ground speed is just right. If the tape flies between 45 and 90 degrees, the ground speed should be increased. Once airflow has been adjusted, water-sensitive paper can be used to test the spray coverage. In the case of fine to medium-sized droplets, about 85 droplets per square centimetre and about 15% of the total surface covered represents adequate spray coverage for most foliar applications. There are other methods to confirm coverage. Kaolin clay is an inert compound that leaves white residue when dry, whereas fluorescent dyes can be sprayed at night and illuminated under black lights. For more information, visit growersedge.com.au.